Air compressors. Presentation. What is a compressor? A machine that increases fluid pressure by decreasing its volume is called a compressor. If the compressor uses gas as a functioning liquid, it is a gas compressor. When air is used as a working liquid, it is referred to as an air compressor. Normally, in a compressor, the compressed air gas rises in temperature. An air compressor is another type of machine that works with compressed air and is used in a variety of industries. The air compressors have acquired overall acknowledgement after their disclosure in the year 1875. The benefits of air compressors. Low level of noise. These are the workhorses of the compressors and can supply a large amount of compressed air. Good energy efficiency compared to piston-type compressors. The compressed air has a relatively low end temperature. It is possible to use energy recovery. Positive displacement air compressor. Consistently and forever, we maintain ourselves as extremely effective. It is the most well-known kind of air compressor. The capacity of the positive displacement compressor is clear. These compressors decrease the volume of the pressure chamber by bringing air into the pressure chamber through the suction air. It compresses the air until the pneumatic force reaches the required level. The compressed air is then blown out of the valve at normal pressure to provide airflow. Another definition of a PD compressor, a positive displacement (PD) compressor, is one that works by drawing a specific amount of gas or air from the compressor's inlet and convincingly leaving it from the compressor's outlet. Competent and professionally efficient in the relevant field to support industries in their medium to large scale operations with technologically innovative processes. The diaphragm compressor. This sort of air compressor is a type of moderate piston blower. In these compressors, gas or air pressure is caused when the adaptable diaphragm moves, not the intake part. The forward and reverse movement of the diaphragm is handled with the assistance of a crankshaft and a rod system. When there is a requirement for gas pressure, then just the compressor box and the film connect with the gas. The level of bending and the material of the film influence the existence of the gadget. Silicone or elastic diaphragm compressors can endure exceptionally high redirection profundities. All things considered, because of the low strength of these compressors, they are limited in their utilization in low pressure applications and require substitution assuming the plastic becomes fragile. This is used in a variety of applications, including compressed natural gas, CNG, and hydrogen plants. Reciprocating compressors. These types of air compressors utilize a piston or plunger that is moved by a crankshaft. This piston, or plunger, moves at a steady speed to pull the air in and then compresses it properly. Normally, one drive of the piston sucks the air into the chamber, and the other drive crushes it. The reciprocating small compressors have power ranging from 5 to 30 horsepower, which is mostly found in the use of intermittent operations. Huge reciprocating compressors have in excess of 1000 horsepower and are normally utilized in petroleum and huge industrial applications. In large ventures, these are utilized for applications like chemical plants, industry, petroleum treatment facilities, and natural gas processing and delivery. Rotary screw compressors. These are the most well-known types of air compressors. In this rotary screw compressor, air sucks into the compressor, shuts the openings, and compresses the air with the assistance of two rotors that pivot continuously and run through the cavity. With every revolution, the air pressure gradually increases until it reaches the desired pressure. The characterization of the screw compressors relies upon the type of gearbox, the strategy for cooling, and the stage. These kinds of air compressors are generally manufactured in dry assortments, water and oil overwhelmed. The rotary compressor's proficiency is extremely subject to the air dryer. Screw compressors have some parts, high productivity, enormous capacity, proper structure, voltage spikes, and low vibration, and can easily run at low speed to change power. Rotary vane compressors. The rotary vane compressor is another notable compressor. In this compressor, two unbalanced rotors, otherwise called spiral screws, are used to equalize the pressure of the air. The rotary vane gas compressor comprises a rotor with a large number of vanes or cutting edges. These blades fix into the spiral groove of the rotor. The rotor fixes into a housing with a rounder or more complicated design. At the point when the rotor rotates, the vanes move inward and outward of the space and contact the housing outside the wall. Thus, in this manner, the rotor edges make a progression of augmenting and limiting volumes. This compressor is the most established innovation of the compressor. Tire inflation in tire and wheel shops, dry cleaning and paint pumps, and so on are examples of these applications. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.